Hi my dear crafter, today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful envelope that is very professional looking. Look at this. You can just glue the whole flap and then the person that receives it just pull this open because it has some stitching here, see? So it's perforated, so you can just peel it off. It makes beautiful, use all the beautiful paper that you have. It comes, and I'll show you next, the full die set with stackable frames, actually 4 or 5, let me just look here, 1 2 3 4 different sizes. It's wonderful. You can use it like I use here, one of the, I think it's the second size, and here I use 2 just to get some more decoration going. But it makes a beautiful envelope that is, let me give you the size. It is almost 6, it's like 5 7/8 of an inch, practically 6, and 4 5/8 of an inch. So a wonderful envelope, looks very professional, easy peasy to put together, and we're going to do that next. So one of those die sets that you can use all year long to send the beautiful cards you make. You know, the cards that we make that never fit in an A2 envelope, it will fit on this one because it's much bigger than, let me get a regular envelope just to give you an idea of the difference here. So this is not an A2. I got an A2 envelope here, so it's a little bit bigger than the A2. See, you still have some leftovers on the sides here. So sometimes we make a card that doesn't perfectly fit on an A2 envelope, and this one is a little bit bigger. Yeah, so now let's look at the die set. Again, it's called the gift card envelope, A2 gift card envelope, and very easy to make. So we're going to make one now. And here is the full die set. I absolutely love these dies here, the frames. You have so many different sizes here, and that's the kind of die set that you're going to use for so many different things. And I'll come up with ideas on how to use that. Let me just show you what these sizes look like when they're stacked. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sizes. Wonderful for cards. You can even just fold one of these in half and you get like a shaped card like that. You can use this for boxes if you have lidded boxes, and add this on the top and bottom so you have the lid in with the frame like this. There's just so many ideas that you can use, and it's just very, very useful regardless of the fact that you're going to make this envelope. It doesn't have to be for that, for layering on your cards, on your scrapbook, and it's just amazing. I love it, and I love that all of them are stitched and they layer perfectly. Let me just put it back so that you see. Look at this. Amazing. I love it, and this is one that I'll have on my magnetic sheet on my wall, because I have a magnetic sheets with the die sets that I use the most, and these ones will go there for sure. So that's the die set. Very easy to spot because this is the 2 flaps. These are the flaps here that you're just going to layer if you want. It comes with a layering piece. You can do the one that we're going to do next, just uses the outside, not the layering piece. You don't have to use it. This is a decoration option, which I used here, and that's why you have the outline. So you can add another piece of paper, and this is basically the big piece of paper here that makes the envelope. And then of course it comes with a square layering piece, and then I used one of the frames. So let's make one together and you see this in action. So here I have the whole thing is already cut. We have the 2 flaps here that will be glued to the side. This is the full, and guys, look at this. It comes with this, you just pull it to open the envelope. How smart is that? I love that. I love that feature of this die set. And the full envelope is here. Again, we have a square that we can use, which I will not use on this one. I will use two layering pieces here, and I'm going to just glue this on top. So I'm going simple with this one, but the sky is the limit. You can use all these layering frames here, all these stacked frames. You can use, you know, this beautiful paper and your flowers. It all depends on your style and what you're going to do with this envelope, of course. So we have, see, I layered so that it goes with the flaps. I'm gonna put that aside. Look how easy this is. So I already folded here on the scoring lines. The die set also marks the scoring line, so it makes it very easy. And basically we're just going to glue it right here. There. And here. Just press it and make sure, see, there is a scoring line here, make sure that it's aligned. So I always press and I fold my scoring lines just so I know where it's supposed to go. Make sure that you have space here to fold it. And now we're going to do the other side. Same thing, I already folded my scoring line here. How easy is this? And guys, just keep making these, because we all need envelopes all the time. And now we can create with our paper scraps, with all the beautiful paper that you have at home. We don't have to depend on the envelopes that they sell us. You can make your own now. There you go. Going to fold it, make sure that it's, see? And now all I need to do is put some glue here and fold this part. And I love this using different paper, because then you actually have this forgot the word, guys. There you go, the contrast, that's the word. It came took a while, but it came. So there you go. We're going to just glue the flap up. You can glue the flap inside, but I think it looks more like an envelope when you do it on the outside. But you can totally do it inside and just have it the flap inside. I would rather do it this way. So here we have, look at this, and when you glue it, you're going to glue the whole thing, and then the person, all she needs to do is just pull this open. Very professional. And now we're going to glue our decoration. And of course, if you're not, this is not for like a gift that you're not posting it, it's easier to decorate. If not, then you just use like a white, like this one here, just a bigger size, maybe one of the bigger ones, white here, so you can write the address. Easy like that. But this is just for demonstration purposes. I'm not sending this anywhere, and I just wanted to make it pretty. So there we are. We have our beautiful envelope. Look at that. Look at this when it's closed. Not gonna glue it, of course. That's one of our envelopes. Here is the other one. Again, not gonna glue it. I have two different, very contrasting colors here. See, again, I really like it outside. And I decorated it too with a little dog. These will probably go to my sister. Anything with a dog, I'll always send it to her. So that's the die set today, guys. Do use my coupon code Paula so that you can get 10% off. And this one is called the A2 gift card envelope. So wonderful die set. You guys have a wonderful day. And let me know in the comments, are you getting it? I really love it. I'm going to use it a lot. Bye bye, guys.